Imagine sitting at the viewport of a starship, suspended in the quiet dark, watching the entire story of our universe play out like a silent movie. Right now, we are privileged to exist in the golden hour of cosmos history. When we look up, the night sky is alive with billions of blazing suns, colorful glowing nebulae, and grand spiral galaxies dancing through space. It feels eternal, static, and immortal. But this vibrant, bustling era is actually just a fleeting moment in a much larger narrative. Today, we step into a cosmic time machine to travel through trillions upon trillions of years, witnessing the ultimate, breathtaking fate of everything that ever was, and everything that will ever be. Our journey begins near home. As we fast forward through the next few billion years, familiar constellations begin to distort and shift. Our sun, having burned through its supply of hydrogen fuel, begins to age. It swells into a glowing red giant, engulfing Mercury and Venus, and heating the Earth until its oceans boil away into space. Eventually, the sun sheds its outer layers in a brilliant planetary nebula, leaving behind a tiny, dense, fading core, a white dwarf. Around the same time, a galactic collision unfolds as our Milky Way merges with the Andromeda galaxy, creating a massive, newly structured cosmic island in space. Centuries pass like mere seconds as time accelerates. Trillions of years speed by. One by one, stars across the universe begin to run out of nuclear fuel. The massive, brilliant blue giants go out first, exploding in brilliant supernovas or collapsing directly into black holes. Then the steady, yellow suns like ours fade into quiet stellar remnants. Finally, after tens of trillions of years, even the small, ultra-efficient red dwarfs, the longest surviving stars in the cosmos, flicker out. The raw gas needed to form new stars is completely depleted. No new stellar fires are lit. The magnificent galaxies that once illuminated the night sky slowly go dark, turning the universe into a vast graveyard of cold, quiet objects, white dwarfs, neutron stars, and brown dwarfs drifting silently through the deep freeze of space. Moving even deeper into the distant future, the universe transitions into an age dominated entirely by gravity's most extreme creation, black holes. With no starlight remaining, supermassive black holes become the supreme rulers of the cosmos. Over unthinkably long periods, these cosmic behemoths feast on the remaining drifting debris, growing to unimaginable sizes. They sit isolated in an ever-expanding, pitch-black void, where galaxies have drifted so far apart due to dark energy that they can no longer see one another. Yet, even these giant dark monsters are not immortal. Over timescales so vast that human numbers can barely describe them, black holes slowly begin to lose mass. Through a quantum process known as Hawking radiation, they leak energy bit by bit back into space. For trillions upon trillions of years, they slowly bleed away. In their final moments, these black holes evaporate in blinding, brilliant flashes of high-energy light, releasing their stored energy back to the void before disappearing forever. Finally, the last black hole vanishes. The universe enters its ultimate, final state, heat death. All matter has decayed, temperature has become completely uniform everywhere, and no energy can ever be extracted again. Nothing changes, nothing moves, and time itself effectively loses all meaning in a vast, silent ocean of subatomic particles drifting eternally through the freeze. Looking back from the very end of time, we realize something profound. Our present moment, this fleeting era where stars shine, planets orbit, and conscious life can wonder about the sky, is an exceptionally rare and precious gift.